This is why you need Sona Thesis Consultancy for your general medicine thesis. Get ready to ace your research with expert help. Sona Thesis Consultancy, your trusted partner for top-notch thesis writing in general medicine. Based in Delhi and serving students across India, we offer a range of services tailored to meet your needs. From expertly crafted theses to compelling research proposals and advanced data analysis, we've got you covered. Our expert writers, experienced medical professionals, ensure your work meets the highest academic standards. Need a thorough literature review or meticulous editing and proofreading? Sona Thesis Consultancy delivers quality and readability. And for those aiming for publication, our journal paper writing service can make your research stand out. Why choose us? Customized solutions, timely delivery, and a commitment to ethical practices. Whether you're in nephrology, urology, endocrinology, or any other medical field, we have subject matter experts ready to assist. So if you're a postgraduate student, a doctoral candidate, or a researcher, let Sona Thesis Consultancy guide you to academic success. Contact us today at www.stc4medicos.com and take the first step toward excellence.